Wanna increase your internet connection? From this to this. In this video, we will show you a few steps to make your internet faster. So let's start. First, go to the Wi-Fi icon and press the left key. Then press Open Network and Internet Settings. Then go to Wi-Fi. Then click on Change Adapter Options. Now click on the Use the following DNS server addresses option and add this Google DNS addresses. Finally, your connection will be faster now. Now let's dive into the second method if you have an Ethernet connection. Click on Windows and go to Settings. Then click on Network and Internet. Then click on Change Adapter Options. Click on Configure. Then Advanced. And click on Speed and Duplex option. Now change it. Finally, click OK. And now this is the result after the changes. We hope that you found this video useful and that it helped you to increase your internet speed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that you don't miss out on any other tips and tricks we have in store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.